Hey everyone! Today for math we're going to play a game. So instead of starting with vocabulary, I'm going to show you the directions. So this game is called 1 Minute Challenge. You're going to need dice or number cards. So if you have a dice, get one, or you can make number cards and number them 1 through 6. So I laid my cards 1 through 6 and I put them in a bucket for me to pick from. You need a timer and you're going to set it for 1 minute because this is the 1 minute challenge. What you're going to do is you're going to pick a number. So I pick 4, and you're going to put that many counters in a pile. You're going to see how many you can do for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I mean. So let me escape out of this and go to here. Okay, so this is the paper you're going to finish when you're done, but we're not here yet. Okay, you might want to play with another person. If you have someone around you, you can play with them. I'm going to play with Rashid here. He's going to be my partner, okay? So I'm going to set my timer. He's right here. See him? He's going to sit right over here. I'm going to set the timer on my phone for 1 minute, okay? So it's set for 1 minute. So then I'm going to go first. I'm going to pick a card. I got the number card 4, so I'm going to hurry up and get 4 counters and place them in the pile. Okay. Then Rashid's going to pick a number. He got, what number did he get? Rashid got 6, so he's going to pick up 6 counters and put them in a pile. Now it's my turn again. Oh, what'd I get? I got 2, so I'm going to pick up 2 and put them in the pile. Then Rashid's going to go again. He's going to pick... He picked 1, so he's going to get 1 counter and put it in the pile. 1 minute's almost up. I'm going to pick again. I got 4. I'll put 4 in the pile. One more time, Rashid's going to go. And he got 6, so we're going to put 6 more counters in the pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now, once the minute's over, you have all these counters in the pile, okay? I don't want you to count them yet. You're going to pull out this sheet from your packet, okay? So partner 1 was me. So that's me. My partner 2 was Rashid. So I'm going to write his name for him. Alright, so the first part is partner 1's estimate. So the word estimate is an educated guess. So you're going to look at your counters and you're going to guess how many you have. I'm going to guess that I'm going to guess 14 counters. Then partner 2 is going to estimate. So Rashid, let me listen to what Rashid tells me how many he thinks there are. Ooh, he thinks there's only 12. Okay, so now this part says actual amount of counters in the pile. Alright, well, let's see. I could count them one by one, but that might take a minute. So I think I'm going to count by groups of 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have one group of 10, and I have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 groups of 10, I have 3 left over. So I have 2 groups of 10 and 3 left over. That's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I actually had how many counters? 23. Was I right? My estimate wasn't right. Was Rashid's estimate right? Nope. Alright, so this part is for partner 1. Show the difference between your estimate and the actual amount of counters. So difference. So the actual amount was 23. So from 23, I just went back and put all my numbers backwards, but I kind of ran out of room. I messed up here. So when you're doing yours, make sure it's a little neater than mine, okay? And I want to know the difference between 23 and my estimate was 14. So I'm going to start at 23 and I'm going to hop back until I get there, and I'm going to count my hops as I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So what's the difference between these two numbers? It's 9. Okay, now let's do Rashid's, okay? So again, the actual number was 23, so we're going to go 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, so I ran out of room, so I'm just going to stop there. Usually you'll want to go all the way back to 1 though, okay? Alright, so I need to know the difference between, so we're doing the difference between the estimate, or the actual amount, and the estimate. So what was his estimate? 12. Okay? So I circled my number so I know where to stop. I'm going to start at 23 and I'm going to hop back. When you're doing difference, you're hopping back. Okay? So let's see how many hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the difference between the actual number and Rashid's estimate was 11. Okay? So that's how you play this game. If you have any questions at all, please let your teacher know. If you're doing this by yourself and you don't have another partner, that's okay. Okay? Because I did it with Rashid and he's just a stuffed animal. So I really played by myself. So you can do that too. Okay? You just pick numbers for yourself and just do the partner one part. Alright. I hope you have fun with this game today. Have a great day. Bye.